Hey YouTube, Truck and Treasure here. Got some scratch video for you. Kentucky crossword. These are called Firewolf. A pretty sharp looking ticket. So one big gameplay here. We got the moons on there. I guess the moons are complete a word with a moon symbol. Win pays 10 times if you get one of those. That'd be cool. Alright, but you gotta get 3 words to get a win. These are $10 tickets, so we got 2 of them. We got ticket 3738. Odds on these tickets are Kentucky doesn't do the odds. That's right, I think. And the odds are good if we win. All right, so let's start with ticket number 37. See if we can find some wins on that. Where's the letters at? Down below. Okay, that's where they're at. Kind of weird that they don't have them marked. All right, let's see if we can zoom down just a little bit on this. Not too much. Try not to get the glare. Let me turn a little bit more. There we go. That's a little better. All right, let's see where we can find the box. All right, there we go. And boy, where are these? Don't see a lot of good letters there. That's kind of. And we got ST, no R. We got AUI, no E. We got O. Okay, we're just missing an E for the vowels. That's interesting. I don't know if that's a good thing. We'll see once. All right, let's see if we can figure this out. All right, let's see. I'm gonna try and zoom down a little bit, make it a little bigger. Oh, I almost had it perfect. There we go. All right, so tip. I think we have that. We have the I, the T, and the P. Okay, that's one word. All right. Let's see, do we have N and K? I see the K. We don't have the N. All right. Just poke a mark through it like that. How about fade? No E. All right, let's go through and find the E's and get rid of those words. How about DUB? I don't see a B or a D. All right. Let's go back to the E words across those. So what about NAP? N-A-P, no N. That's right, no N. No N, no E. E there, E there. E in Merit. N right there for ruin. Night, there's no N. Night, no N. Let's see, M-A-T. Got the U, the R we didn't get, did we? Okay, R is another, that's a killer. Okay, true has an R in it. Okay, we're all caught up on top. Let's go down a little bit. No E there. Let's go no N in stain. How about city? No C. Captive. C in particle. Darn it, I took out the moon there. No R. No E for I. No E in yes. Ideal has an E, no E in there. What about paradise? No R. Basic. No B. Darn it. Verb has a B in it. R in red. Assemble has an E in it. People has an E in it. Keep has an E in it. How about ask? Yes, we have that. Okay, there's our second. Just need one more. I thought we had dot. We don't have the D. No E for echo. Edge has an E. Range has an R and an E. Leader has an E. Drama has a D. R. Train has an R. There's an R. How about no E for T? I think we just got them all crossed off. We had two. Okay, bonus, complete the word with it. Okay, what's in the bonus? What does the bonus do? Scratch the bonus spot, reveal up to 2 additional letters to use in the puzzle, reveal the prize amount, win instantly. Okay, so it's a prize amount or 2 letters. Okay. Wow, that just, I should have crashed those out earlier. Darn it. There's an R and an H. Okay. Darn it. We gotta go back and see if we can figure out something if we got an R. I messed that one up. No E in true. TAR, right? That we do have. So that means we got a winner. We got 3 words. We got tip tar. Yep, we got 3 words. Do we got anything else? Ruin. No N. Barrett has no E. Trying to find the R's. TRAPE in there. Okay. No N in range. PAR, no D. Drama, no D. Train, no N. I think it's just 3 words. 3 words. Recite. R, E, no E. Okay. There's no E, that's right. Use, no E. Alright, I think I got a win anyway, so it's at least 3 words for 10 bucks. The H, I don't think the H, I'm gonna have to scan that, make sure. See, I think we'll go with that. 3, we'll call it 10 bucks. All right, so let's do this one. Should have read the rules and then I'd know I gotta scratch those off because that would have made it a lot easier before I crossed them out. Alright, let's see what the bonus. We got a G and a W. If you get prize amounts up there, you get that instantly. Okay. Alright. Let's see. How about tool? What do we have for vowels? We have the A, E, I, O, U. We have them all? Can't believe we didn't get them all in the last one. A, E, I, O, U. Yeah, we got all the vowels. Okay, that helps a lot. But we don't have an S. There's an S there, there's an S there, S in that one. Bus has an S. Sick has an S. There's an S there. Exercise has an S. C has an S. Seldon has S. I believe I got all the S's. How about no T? Alright, tool, T, table, tie. There's a T there. A T there. Taxi has a T. Detective has a T. Thumb. Tug. Alright. VAN. No T. I missed that T. Valor. And no L. Oil. No L. No L. Ply has an L. Delay. L. What about A&D? No D. Darn it, no D. Ramp. There's no M. Okay. Edge. No D. Arch. And there's no C. Toe. No T. Horse. No S. How about van? Hey, we got one. No W. Okay. And no C. There's a C. Videotape. V-I. No D. Vault. No L. Monkey. No M. H-U-M. No M. No M. That looks like a loser, not a winning ticket. Alright, we'll scan those and check them later, but that looks like we got the 10. I'll throw this jumbo bucks in there. Number 2, it's a $10 ticket I got. Let's get that jumbo symbol for 5 times the prize, or we match your numbers up here. This is a Tennessee ticket, yeah. 36, 43, 13, 37, 50, and 23. 29, 15, we had 13. 38, got 37. The 44, we got 43. 47, no, 37's up there. 30, no, we got a 50. They give us 49, one off. 19, 26, 45, we got 43. Come on, ticket. 34, backwards 43. 24, got 23. 46, not there. 33, nope. 16, 12, got 13. 28, 48, and 18, nope. Last chance, a 20. Nothing on that one. I think we got our 3 on this one here for $10 back. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm out. 10-4.